Hi, good morning, friends. Welcome to the third session of small interview video. Here today, I am going to share some of my observations regarding the self introduction. In any interview, about 95% of interview starts with they will be asking something like that. Please introduce yourself. They will ask, please have a self introduction, something like that. So that time, uh, what I suggest, your total interview time in that the self introduction should remain only for maximum of 1.5 to 2 minutes. Ideally 1 minute or 1.5 to 2 minutes time you can spend for self introduction. That is better. And in that, you can, when they ask this question, you can tell, if when you offer the seat you have to thank them. So thank you for giving my seat. And you can start with something like this: sir, thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity for this interview. You should thank for the opportunities given to you, and you should start with smiling. Need not have to tell you, you have to smile, so that they also relax, you are also relaxed, in a relaxed position. Now imagine that you are running for this 2 minutes interview. One person is asking the questions to you. Imagine there are four people in the interview. Imagine there are four people on the other side, but only one person is asking the questions. In that case, you have to answer looking at the four people equally. Don't focus the single person who is asking questions. You should be in a position to maintain direct eye contacts with all the four people. So this is important. Now, regarding this question, I will tell you that when you introduce yourself, it is always better. There are two schools of thoughts. Number one is, you can start from a chronological order, like your birthplace and so on. And some other people says that you can start from the experience. But in my personal opinion, it is always better to start from your family background, birthplace, something like that, so that we will give a complete and clear picture for the other person who is listening to you. You can start like, sir, now, thank you for giving me this opportunity. My name is this. You always start with your name. It doesn't mean that they don't know your name. Your name is already there, but you can start with, sir, my name is Raju. I am Raju, confidently, and feel proud of your name in pronunciation very clearly. First, it's a name. Don't do something extraordinary like myself, Raju, something like that. Don't go different way. Start with my name is, something like that. Second thing, after name, be careful about the hometown. Be very clear. I am born and brought up in such and such place. I am born and brought up in Calicut or Trivandrum or Cochin, wherever it is. So the birthplace is very important, because they can immediately start thinking on different grounds. As an experienced person, they will understand about the place where you are born, where your school is. Then you can tell something about your family. Family means you have to start always from the father. My father is this. His job was this. Is he still continuing the job, or he is a retired person, or he is no more? Whatever it is, the details you have to tell him. Now imagine that somebody is, then you come to your mother. Okay, invariably you have to come to your mother. Then you have to come to your brothers, sisters, etc., etc. Now imagine that somebody's father is died and you are the eldest son of your family. Okay, so they will have some inclination to the, okay, this person, it shows lot of responsibility. This person should carry lot of responsibility in his shoulders. So naturally it will be a weightage for you. You will be a serious person, you will be a hardworking person, and you are the only earning member of your family. Lot of information they can gather, they can grasp from this single line. that the father is dead, okay, and you are the eldest person. So these type of details you should be able to communicate to your interviewer. Imagine on the contrary, another experience. My father is there. He is doing some business. He is well off, and already the mother is there in the house. And I have two young brothers, elder brothers. They are in Gulf. They are earning members, and I have one sister. And sister's husband also is doing business in Gulf. Now imagine, this interview will get a feeling that this person is not a needy person. He is not very urgent or keen to get a job immediately because his house, everything is well settled. So your chances of getting the job is something difficult. So it depends on the, what I am trying to tell you is the seriousness of the responsibility of the job. This is very important. Now first come to father, mother, brother, sister, and then you can start with your school, where you have had your schooling, what is the percentage of marks, what is the year, and then go to the college where you have graduated, and then you can tell about the subjects, you can tell about the percentage of marks. This should be the order, okay. So this is the order where you have to tell. And finally, you can also tell, sir, I am interested in this job because I have been doing this some other jobs related to this from time to time, or I have some qualities which are very much suitable for this particular job. You can briefly tell your qualities. Friends, in 1 minute. I am sure that we have discussed some basic idea about self introduction. The self introduction has to be 1 or 2 minutes maximum. So I am sure that you have enjoyed this little video about the. So friends, please subscribe my video and share my video. Once again, your subscription is very important. Thank you. Thank you all.